So question number 30, problem on optimization. Optimization means like it is like NCERT questions only, students. The sum of two numbers. Sum of two numbers. What is the sum of two numbers they have given? X plus y is equal to 100. If the product of the squares of one number and the cube of other number. So in the question, like same NCERT amount, this question, the sum of, I'm taking two numbers are x and y, sum of the two numbers 100 they given. And what shall we prove that it is maximum? Product of square of one number and cube of other number. Like the function is they given product of square of first number, cube of second number is maximum. Okay, students, here how to check the options. See, here you may check in one way, that is, okay, 60 plus 40, 100, 20 plus 80, 80 plus 20, and 40 plus 60. Okay, here the function they have given x square y cube. For what value of x comma y it will be maximum, student? You expect that. Okay, don't think about that. Let's just consider 6x value is 6, y value is 4 instead of 60 and 40. So 6 square 36 into 4 cube, like 64. Is it maximum, or else 16 into 216 is maximum? So if you substitute all this value, so fourth option will give the highest value. I think so. Anyhow, we can't expect like this generally. Okay. But so what shall we do here? Same according to NCERT procedure, like from the first condition, given y can be written as 100 minus x. This 100 minus x, substitute in place of y 100 minus x to the whole cube. Now find f dash of x and equating to 0. We are going to get some x values. At that point, that is enough. You have no need to check and all that f double dash of x like that. If we get more than one x, like f dash of x is equating to 0. What about your UV rule? X square into 3 times of 100 minus x the whole square plus again 100 minus x the whole square into 2x is equal to 0. Like that, x is common, x is equal to 0. There is no 0 and all. So like that, you can find x value, students. You'll get the fourth option. That's all. You no need to, if you get only one of the option is correct. For example, x value you got 40. X value you got 40. Okay. Then y value means 100 minus 40. That is like so. Fourth option is correct. X value you get 40. Directly 40 means fourth option is correct. Here also fourth option is correct. And at the same time, the question number 31 also like that only. See here, the sum of the two positive numbers is 20. Okay, 18, 12, 20. Is it 20? No, it is not 20. This is 20. Fine, 7, 13. So the answer might be 8, 12 or 4, 16 and 7, 13. And the product of the square of one and the cube of other is maximum. Like the same, students, here also the product of square of one and cube of other. So for what value of x comma y it will be maximum? Just substitute and just verify that. Is it 4 square and 16 cube is maximum, or 8 square and 12 cube is maximum? The general procedure is only, that is f dash of x equating to 0 will get x value. That is right, absolutely. So take this function and differentiate and equating to 0. Equating to, will get the critical point. X value you get 8, the first option is right. X value if you get 4, the third option is correct. X value if you get 7, fourth option is correct. Like that you can do, because second option is it's not correct, because sum should not equal to 20. Fine. You can do that, students. the minimum value of, this is a logical question, this kind of questions you can more concentrate. I'll tell you this. This is how many values are there? A square plus A plus A by B A C D. Okay, I want to write like this. So A square plus A plus 1 all divided by A. Shall I write like this? B square plus B plus 1 by B into C square plus C plus 1 by C, D square plus D plus 1 by D. Fine, students. I want to find the so what the question here? Minimum value they are asking. Maximum value is infinity. So A square plus A plus, I want to write separately 1 by A. I want to first simplify this first one alone. Second one also same, third one same, fourth one will get same value. So A plus 1 plus 1 by A. Okay, what is the minimum value of this number? Minimum value. When I take A is equal to 1. When I take A is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. If you take other than 1, take any real number, your wish. Take any real number. So you can take any real number that we are going to get greater than 3 only. This value is greater than or equal to 3 will get. Any, here capital A is belongs to real. In the same way, A plus this first value is greater than or equal to 3, second one also greater than or equal to 3, third one also greater than or equal to 3, fourth one also greater than or equal to 3. So for each case we are getting minimum value is 3, but here they have given the product. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, nothing but 3 power 4 is the minimum value. Clear? At A is equal to, B is equal to, C is equal to 1 only, A is equal to, B is equal to, C is equal to, D is equal to 1 only, it will be minimum. Otherwise, for any other values, it will get maximum values. The answer will be 3 power 4. Clear? And question number 33 also, it's easy question number. They given in different way, but easy. See here, A value, B value, C value, D value, distinct elements they have given. Okay, fine. The minimum value of A, B, C, D whole squares, E, F, G, H, the whole square. Okay, students, I want to know one thing. What is the sum of all these values? -7, -5, -3. Adding all the values. -7, -5, -3, -2, +2, +4, +6, +13. Is equal to what? -7, -1, -2, +4. This is equal to, yeah, this is equal to 8. Is that right? 8 shall I write 4 plus 4? Students, 8 shall I write 4 plus 4? This shall I write this value is 4, this value is 4. Yes, we can take, because A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G plus H value is 8, that I divided into 2 parts, 4, 4. Now what is 4 square? 16. What is 4 square? 16. 16 plus 16, 32. If you take any other value, you won't get like, you see, because sum is 18, no? If you take 4 comma 4 alone, we'll get 32 option. If you take any other value, you won't get any other option. Is it possible? For example, A plus B plus C plus D, I want to take 3, I want to take, this is 5. 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25. Okay, 25 plus 9, 34 is there. But you know, we can give equality, equal preference, right? So that 4 is only correct, right? 4 plus 4. 4 square 16, 16, 32. This is the right answer. Okay, students? 25 plus 9, 34 will get. But no, A plus B plus C, distinct elements, but the minimum value they ask. So, but you know, 34 also will get, but what is the minimum value between these two? We are getting 34 is the answer when I take a different answer, but 32 is the minimum value, whose sum is equal to 8. 32 minimum compared to 34. So this is the right answer. Okay, students, and A value, B value, they given A value is x square plus 1 by x. Then the minimum value of A by B. Here A by B they are asking. What is A value? X square plus 1 by x square by x minus 1 by x. Right. Shall I write numerator as x minus 1 by x the whole square minus 2 times of or plus 2 times of what shall I write? X minus 1 by x. Students, is it okay? By x minus 1 by x. Are understood? X square plus 1 by x square represented like in denominator. Denominator x minus 1 by x is there. So when I write it separately, we'll get x minus 1 by x plus 2 will get. Is it clear, students? X minus 1 by x and 2. Okay, 2ab means it is, we don't get x minus 1 by x. Shall I write like this? When you do that a square plus b square minus 2ab means minus 2 plus 2 becomes 0. So this value I have written like this. Is it okay? Then 2 by x minus 1 by x. Right, this is a by b. Here we required to find minimum value. Okay, and also x must be from minus 0 to minus 1 to 0 and 1 to infinity, right? Okay, fine. X belongs to the given domain only. See, students, when I take this value as A, this value as B, this is like small a, this is small b. Shall I do like this? And I consider, since we know that arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. When I take two numbers a comma b, so a plus b by 2 is greater than or equal to root ab. Always. If I consider this like this, shall I multiply these two? Shall I use this condition? So x minus 1 by x plus 2 by x minus 1 by x all divided by 2 is greater than or equal to root over x minus 1 by x into 2 by x minus 1 by x. It cancel these two. So just you can cross multiply. Here 2 is the 2 you can cross multiply. So this is equal to right side already root 2 is the 2. 2 root 2. This is the right answer. So I used arithmetic mean and geometric mean concept. Because internally they'll give the relation one topic to other topic. Here they have to related, we used progression concept. Okay. Right, students? X minus 1 by x plus 2 by. So I'm taking first one as A, second one as B, like that. I used AM greater than or equal to GM. Students, this is minimum value. Here only the thing again, they have given in terms of two variable, y is equal to n square by x. This y value you can substitute here. The function you can take as px plus q into y. Y nothing but n square by x. N square by x. This is f. So same thing you can do, students, here. df by dx. That is f dash of x you can find equating to 0. You'll get some x value. Okay. That x value you can substitute here. Already directly they're asking minimum value. So if you get a unique value, you are going to get only x value. Critical point is only 1 point. Find f dash of x equating to 0. You'll get x value. That x value directly can substitute in f. You'll get the answer. You'll get the answer. No doubt in that. You can do this. Here 36, then the maximum value. The maximum value they're asking Here also same thing, students. See here, they have given in terms of two variable, but the thing is, we cannot, it's not easy to find y in terms of x. So that what shall we do here? I want to do one thing. Same arithmetic mean, geometric mean concept will apply. So here a power a square plus b square y power 4 by 2. Shall I take, if I take this is a, this is b, same, like by 2 is greater than or equal to gm square root of a square x power 4 b square y power 4. Right, students? From that, okay, this values here already c power 6 they have given this value. So c power 6 by 2 is greater than or equal to, it can be written as ab and x square y square. AB you can cross multiply c power 6 by 2 AB greater than or equal to x square y square. X square y square is xy the whole square we can write. Lesser than or equal to c power 6 by 2 AB. What is only xy, students? Lesser than or equal to c cube. Square is a square, you can take right side c cube by root 2 AB. Nothing but the answer is second option. Once again, so in easy way, I'm taking this value as a, this value as b. I'm using the am, arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to gm. Okay, ma. So am value is a plus b by 2, gm value is root ab. I applied that, I got directly xy is lesser than or equal to this. So the minimum, so maximum value is this, lesser than or equal to means this is the maximum value. Maximum value is second option. Okay, fine, students. Coming to the problems on plane geometry. These are the very easy, and if you should have idea about the straight line concept, that are circle concept. Okay, so here maximum area of rectangle inscribed in a circle of radius 10 centimeters is, okay, that I'm going to explain you. Students, here, yeah, this is the circle, and look at here. The maximum area of rectangle means is every square is a rectangle, but every rectangle is a not a square. Okay, I'm taking a square. Square is also a rectangle. Am I right? So the maximum area is given by square. Maximum area of rectangle inscribed in a circle is given by square alone, not rectangle. Okay, already this point I clearly explain you. This is circle. When I take the rectangle, this is a rectangle. What about this? So in both the cases, which is having maximum area, rectangular, square? Square. Square means if I take this is a radius. Okay, this is a radius. Then fine. So what about the side, Amma? With help of this diameter, see, diameter is clearly, this is r. This is a right angle triangle. Diameter becomes hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. From this, what about this side? This is, let us take a. This is a. What is a in terms of r? A square plus a square is equal to, with help of Pythagoras, 2r whole square. Good. Right, 2a square is equal to 4r square. A square is equal to 2
square.
Okay, 2r square. What is a? Root 2 r. Nothing but, a is the side of the square. What is the area of the square? Area of the square here? A square. A square only, no? What is A square in terms of radius? 2r square. So in the question maximum area is given by square. The square area whose radius is given by A square is equal to 2 into r square. What is the r value they have given in the question? 10. 10. You have to remember the formula because I derived here. Okay, so 2r square. So 2 into 10 square, that is nothing but 200. It is a logical question and easy question. Second option is correct. See, the maximum area of rectangle always given by square. The area of the square is 2r square in terms of radius. Next, the diagonal of the rectangle of the maximum area having a perimeter 100 centimeter. The diagonal of the rectangle maximum area. The diagonal they have given having perimeter they have given 100 centimeters. Then student, it is easy, like I'll explain here. What is the diagonal they have given? Diagonal. Okay, otherwise this is the diagonal. Okay. See here, since we know that, for example, the maximum area of rectangle, it may be inscribed rectangle minimum area. So this is related to same like circle alone. You can consider in the circle that rectangle becomes square. What is the side of each rectangle? What is the
We
side
can
we
take
got here?
two sides as x and the other.
No. The maximum area always given by circle. Here, they should give the circle here, rectangle maximum area. In circle, they have to give.
Sir, only in circle square gives maximum area, or always it will be square, sir?
Always square only. Always square only.
Okay, sir.
So like the maximum area is given by square. So what is the side in that case? Root 2 times of r. Root 2 times of r means side is root 2 times of r means what is the perimeter? 4a. 4a nothing but 4 into what is a value? Root 2 times of r. See students. So they have given perimeter 100, so that this will becomes 104. This is equal to 100 they have given. So what is r from this? R is equal to 100 by 4 root 2. That is nothing but r is equal to 25 by root 2. This is radius. This is radius. But what is the area formula? Area formula a square is equal to 2r square in terms of r. So a square is equal to 2r square. Now a square is equal to 2 into r square. R square is what? So question is what actually? The diagonal they are asking. Okay. Once we get the r, r value is 25 by root 2. Diagonal becomes, what is the diagonal? D becomes 2r. Okay, diagonal becomes, if it is a radius, this is the diagonal of the square. Diagonal becomes 2r, So 2r is equal to 2 into 25 by root 2. Nothing but the answer is, shall I take 25 root 2? Yes. 25 root 2 is the answer. Clear, students? 25 root 2. Diameter. Just simply with help of that property, I found the radius after that diagonal D is equal to 2r. 2 times of radius when if it is inscribed in the circle. It may be inscribed in the circle, or it's not circle. We'll do it. The perimeter of the sector they have given the area of maximum. The area is maximum, then angle of the sector is. So this is related to sector. Okay. This is R, this is R, this is, whatever the value of theta is equal to, there is a relation. What is the area of the sector, students? 1 by 2 r square into theta. Yes or no? The area of sector.
Yes.
So what is theta value? For taking the theta value, they have given one condition, perimeter. Perimeter nothing but r plus r 2r into we can take some constant like perimeter p is equal to 2r plus k into kr. Sorry, we can take like a theta is equal to some k. Just a minute, I'll erase here, I'll write very clearly. The perimeter of the sector whose radian like angle they given as theta. Yes, students, anyone? R plus theta means 2r plus r into theta will get. This is the perimeter. So perimeter value you can take some other value lambda. I'm taking as lambda. So theta is equal to lambda minus 2r by r. This value you can substitute. Overall, the given function I'm going to change in terms of r. Area A is equal to 1 by 2 times of r square theta. So theta value from that 2r plus r into theta is equal to, I'm taking lambda. So theta is equal to lambda minus 2r by r. Thus you can substitute here. So 1 by 2 times of r square. So lambda minus 2r by r. Okay, students, now you can find the dA by dr equating to 0. We'll get some r value that you can substitute over there. You'll get theta value. You can do like that. You can do this question. Next year, ABCD is a rectangle in which AB is equal to, yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. ABCD is a rectangle and rectangle they have given here. Ten, 8 they have given. 10 and 8. So rectangle formed by P is any point taken on AB such that PA is equal to X. Okay, students, PB any point on AB. What is AB? ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD. PB any point somewhere I'm taking here. What they have given here? PA value is X. PB value 10 minus X. Am I right, students? So the thing is, here we need to check PC square plus PD square. PC is equal to PB and PD is equal to PS or no? The same length we have. So that PC square plus PD square is equal to X square plus 10 minus X the whole square. We getting like this.
So how can we have two P points, sir?
Yes, how can we?
Have
Okay,
2
okay.
points.
Sorry. Here PC square, sorry. Here, sorry. I thought P will be here only, no. We cannot take. That is a different question actually. PC square, PD square. They are asking this PC square plus PD square value. Right, students? Okay, then PC square plus PD square is given by often. How can we take like PC square plus PD square? Yes, so that can be written as actually we can write like this. This is clearly X. This is 10 minus X. 10 minus X. This is 8. Overall, this is 10. So PC square plus PD square. PC square plus PD square is given by PA square plus PB square plus students. Is it clear? Then BC square plus AD square. PC square plus PD square is given by like this here. PA means PA value is x square plus PB is 10 minus x to the whole square, and 8 square is 64 plus AD square is 64. This is the condition we have. Am I right, students? So now this you can consider as f. This is f. F is equal to, you can simplify, you are going to get a function in terms of x. Same, find f dash of x equating to 0, then f double dash of x. So here we are going to get some x value. This x value you can substitute here. Here you will get the answer. Okay, students? But forming the function is very important here. PB any point on the AB side. Like you should know this property. Like already you studied in class 10, I think so. PC square plus PD square is equal to this value. PA square plus PB square, BC square, AD square. I think so you studied. That you can do a simplification. And coming to the problem based on coordinate geometry. Compared to plane geometry, coordinate geometry questions are easy. But you should have idea about the concept of the straight line, circle, that and all. Okay, the straight line segment through the point 3, 4 in the first quadrant with the coordinate axis at A and the minimum area. Okay, fine. I'm going to take the coordinate axis here. Yeah. There is a line segment. Yeah. Let us take an. I'm taking the point on this 3, 4. 3, 4. The line segment which is passing through 3, 4, here area is generated. Yes or no? Area is generated. What is this minimum area? We require to find that. Okay, students. So if it is A, if it is B, okay, this is, you can take as x1, y1. This here a triangle, the triangle is formed here. So what is the minimum area of this? Yes or no? Fine. So the formula is directly here. Whenever we having the point as x1, y1, the line segment joining the coordinate axis in first quadrant, the formula is 2x1 into y1. This is given by the minimum area. Minimum area of triangle OAB. This is OAB. This is the given area. Already x1, y1 point already given 2 into 3 into 4. Okay, students. The answer will be 6 for the 24. The minimum area always formula you have to remember. This is the formula. Right, students? And also yeah, in this case, this is the one. The next line, all the questions they'll give like this only in this maximum minimum concept. Like through the point 2, 3, the straight line drawn, making positive intercept on the coordinate axis, positive intercept. Like, okay. If the area of triangle is so formed, the least, same like first question also, the area is minimum. Then the ratio of x, y intercepts. The answer is x1 is to x2. Sorry, y1. x1 is to y1. Okay, same point, students. Same question number 1. Instead of 3, 4, they have given other point. So in what ratio it will be divide? The ratio they are asking. The area, if triangle is formed, here also triangle is formed, the area becomes least. And that the ratio is x1 is to y1, student. This is direct formula under. So 2 is to 3. Directly first one is answer. Okay, ma? Next 43 one. The least intercept made by the coordinate axis on a tangent to the ellipse is again the same question. There is a curve something like this. I draw the tangent. We got a like triangle. See here, the least intercept made by the coordinate axis on a tangent to the ellipse. Okay, we have to take the ellipse. Okay. So here x square by a square can comparing with x square by a square and y square by b square. A square value is 64. B square value is 49. 49. From this a value is 6, b value is 7. See students, in this question, the tangent intercept made by the tangent is, here the point is directly, okay, they have given here the least intercept of the coordinate axis. Yeah, the least intercept of the coordinate action is given by, this is a, this is b, no? The least is given by a plus b. A plus b is the least one. For example, any one of the value is 0, no? A value you can take as 0 and b value is you can take as 0. So like a is equal to 0 and b is equal to, just a minute students. Right. So a plus b is equal to, like the same here also, the least intercept is given by a plus b. What is the a value here? A value is 6. What is the b value? 7. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. 13 is the correct answer. The least intercept made by the coordinate axis. Okay, students.
So A value is 8.
A value is 8. Sorry. That one I'm thinking. 8, 7, 15. 15. Right. A value is 4. Okay, remember formula. So here, see students, here a rod AB length of 10 centimeters, sides between two perpendicular sides OX, OY, maximum area. See student, maximum area always is given by, what is the maximum area will give? Right angle triangle or equilateral triangle when you observe. So what it will be give maximum area? Same here also, I'm going to take the same, like there is a rod, it will be between two perpendicular OX, OY. So this is OX, this is OY. Between this, there is a perpendicular, the rod is there like this. Okay. So when we are going to get maximum area, because when, so there are two will be there. Okay, fine. I'm going to tell you that, okay, there are two different rods are there. Yeah, this is also one rod. What is the maximum area it has? Whenever these two are equal, when I take this is this length is A, this length is B. When A is equal to B, then it will give, the triangle will give, it will form a triangle. When A is equal to B, then only it will have the maximum area. Like in all the rectangles, square is maximum value. In the same way, here when A is equal to B, it is having maximum area. A not equal to B. So compared to this is having a minimum area. So for example, rod length 10 meters I'm taking, 10 meters. Here also same 10 meters, but I'm taking down like that. It will be coming down like 10 meters only. But okay, x-axis value is increase. For example, A is equal to, I'm taking 6, but 6 value is increasing. It will come to nearby x-axis. The area slowly becomes to 0. So that among all this, when A is equal to B, the area is maximum. So for that, from this, It is clearly a right angle triangle. Shall I take here A is equal to B? This is also A, this is also A. So A square plus A square is equal to, this is hypotenuse. With help of right angle triangle, this will get. So 2A square is equal to 10 square. So A square is equal to 50. A is equal to 5 root 2. 5 root 2, right? Then, but the question is what? Area. What is the maximum area? Maximum area is what, students? What is the maximum area formula?
Half into AB.
Half into AB, like 5 root 2 into 5 root 2. Root 2 to get cancelled. 5 5 is 25. That's all. Half into AB. A value was same. A is equal to B. So 25 is the correct option. Is there in 25? Yes, third option is right. And the 45 is the maximum distance. Distance they are asking. Maximum distance is nothing but same. Normal. This is for normal. So see, students, and the ellipse concept and parabola also I'll surely explain you, because I taught a parabola concept last year, I think so. I don't know. Once again, surely whenever I have time, we will discuss ellipse and parabola also for section C also. B1, B2. What about B1, B2? Parabola, ellipse is not completed, I think. Am I right? Last year also, Maulali sir.
Sir, no, sir. Only half you was starting, sir.
Yes. Surely we'll discuss.
Sir, I think last year everybody had combined class at the end only, sir, for
But end of the time. Okay,
yes,
fine. Actually, I have given to Maulali sir to complete that parabola. I need to complete the circle concept and all. But he said that last, so it's not possible. So the questions are very tricky and critical. So that he asked to me, but I don't have time. Okay, no problem. I'll explain. The maximum distance, whenever they are asking the, maximum distance of normal to the ellipse. It's from its center. So ellipse is the normal, nothing but if it is a tangent, this is the normal. And if it is a tangent, this is the normal. Okay. The maximum distance they ask. Maximum distance is, this is, you can comparing with A square, this is B square. If A is greater than B, maximum distance is A minus B. If A is lesser than B, maximum distance is B minus A. What is A value over here? A value 3. B value 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. This is the answer. It's depending on A comma B. A is greater than B, A minus B. B is greater than A, B minus A. This area direct formula is there. The area of rectangle of maximum area, rectangle inscribed in ellipse. Inscribed in circle, the maximum area is given by square. Okay, in ellipse not like this. Ellipse in the form like this. Here A not equal to B. Length of the major axis, minor axis is different. Okay, anyhow, here the formula is, what is the formula for 46? 2AB. That's all. 2AB here, formula. So what is AM of 5? What is B? 4. Because A square 25, A value is 5. B square 16, 2AB form that you can use. The same way, this 47, how many questions are there here? 47 is P is any variable point. Okay. In that 47, 2 points are there. Okay, already B square is equal to, this is one of the point. Okay, this question I can explain you. The answer actually will get to ABC. So 2 points are given actually. So what is the, we have to take parametric point also. What are the parametric equations of ellipse? A cos theta, P sin theta. Okay, the area is given by, already 2 points are given. AE comma 0 minus AE comma 0. So here we can take as A cos theta. Area is given by, already when 3 points are given. We studied in matrices x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1, when they given 3 points. A sin theta 1. Sorry, b sine theta 1. Okay, this is AE 0, 1 minus AE 0, 1 because these are the points they have given here. AE comma 0 minus AE. So this will give, we are going to get a equation. That is directly you can get ABE. You'll get the direct answer. You can simplify this. Find the 3 by 3 determinant. Okay. Okay, next one is the total how many questions are there? 53. Okay, 53. I'll explain you this question about 49 or 48 also. Let it be finished, students. Just 10 to 15 minutes. I can complete it. The point on the curve x square is equal to y, which closest to means nearest. Okay. Okay, fine. So closest to here, find dy by dx. So here first for that, what shall we do here? The point on the curve which is closest to 0, 5 is, first we have to find the point on the curve. And another point, for example, 0, 5 will be there. What is the point on the curve which is nearest? So that find dy by dx. So 2x is equal to 2y dash. Y dash is equal to x. Okay, this y dash is equal to x. Find this slope, like this tangent equation. 2 points are given, like this point you can take as like x comma y. Another point is 0, 5. So y2 minus y1 by y minus 5 by x. This slope nothing but what? Slope nothing but m nothing but dy by dx. Both you can equate. This is equal to x. So we get another equation, x square is equal to y minus 5. So x square is equal to y minus 5. And here the thing is, whenever it is closest to nothing but perpendicular, for example, there is a curve. This is the point is there. There are 3 points I am taking. A point here, this is P, this is Q, this is R, this is S. So what is the closest distance is given, students, here? Nearest. R or Q or S? Yes, nearest point is given by perpendicular distance. Means whenever if I take tangent slope, this slope will be perpendicular to each other. Here PQ is PS, or not the least value, not closest to the point, so that I found the slope here. Let us take M1 is equal to directly x. Yeah, this is, I'm taking M1. I'm taking x comma y is any point on the curve. I'm finding the slope nothing but this is M2. M2 is equal to -1 because the perpendicular alone will give the closest. So you'll get directly point. You can find that. You'll get y value directly from that x value. The point on the curve. Okay, the point on the curve means which of the following option point is satisfy the given y square is equal to 4x. Yes?
Sir?
Which of the, yes?
Sir, for the previous question, sir, when they ask
Okay.
can we use the distance formula to check whichever distance is minimum and then find answer, sir?
Yeah, closest means you can use perpendicular distance formula when you know the tangent. Here, see here, this is the curve. I'll tell you one way. This is the curve equation.
Sir, no, sir,
X
I'm
square
asking
is
you, there are 4
yeah.
options given, sir. Can we use the distance formula?
Yeah, you can use if the given point. Yeah, you can.
Okay.
You can use distance formula. That is option verification. Correct only.
Okay.
Yeah. Then first, if you take first option, the option should be satisfy the equation. Then only you can find the distance. Sometimes some options may not be lies on the curve. At that time, you no need to find. For example, this is there. The point on the curve. First, we have to check the point. 4, 4 is 4, 4. Okay, this is 1 point. 1, 2 is lies on this point. Okay, this is also lies on the point. 4, 6. 36. No, this is not lies on the curve. 9 comma 6, 6 square is equal to, yeah, this is line. Among these three, the distance between these two, which is minimum, 2 comma 1 to 1 comma 2 or 2 comma 1 to 4 comma 4. This is 1 comma 2. Directly, this is the answer. Like previous question only processor, like that. Okay, then coming to your 3 comma 4 minus 7 comma 6, like PA and AQ. This you can try, student. It's not easy. This question, the point on x-axis means substituting y is equal to 0. That's all. Y is equal to 0. So in all the option, actually y is equal to 0 is there. Then just they asking to find and put y is equal to 0 and find the distance. 0 comma x, you can find this distance. That's it. Our last miscellaneous is there. Just 3 questions. Let us finish it. The fraction exceed its pth power by greatest number of possible, where p greater than or equal to 2 is. Yes, students. Here the thing is, what is the here pth power? The fraction exceed its exceed nothing but we should take minus. Okay, power by the greatest number possible. Okay, like I'm taking x is a fraction. X is a fraction, it's maximum. Like the function is given by x minus, this fraction is exceed pth, it's pth power, nothing but x power p. Once again, the fraction I'm taking as x. What about this x? X is exceed its pth power, nothing but x power p. This is the function. Same after getting the function, same find dy by dx. Dy by dx equating, sorry, f dash of x equating to 0, you will get that point of maxima or minimum, but here greatest number is possible they asking. So like that only one, f dash of x equating to 0, you can get directly x value. Any one of the option you will get, because it is linear only, no? So linear only means directly you'll get the answer when you find f dash of x equating to 0. That is fine. Then second 52 is already this function I'm taking as f. The total cost producing x packet radiocytes per day is, this I'm taking as a function, and the price per set at which they may sold is. Okay, fine, students. This you can consider as the function. Okay, price for the food is rupees. Okay, this is the product. This is the rupees. Okay, for example, there are n items are there with rupees r. So function, how will we consider here? X packets are there. So in that case, this I can explain later. Actually, we'll write here the price into packet, like x into this rupees minus of this sets per day. Okay, so here x into 50 minus x by 2 minus this value, you can take same, find f dash of x. The last one is L, M, and R, direction cosines. To understand this direction cosines, you should have idea about the vector concept. Okay, vector concept you can, right? So it's almost 320 students.